and it's called fan and pick. Okay, it's got a fun little name, got a fun little structure to it. All of you guys are going to get a deck of, let's call them flashcards. Okay, you guys are going to get a deck of flashcards, and you're going to shuffle them. So I'm going to pretend I'm part of table 3. OCDs, help me out. Shuffle those up. It doesn't need to be like a formal shuffle. You guys are fine. Okay. Real casual shuffling happening over here, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to have the hearts fan out the playing cards. So hearts, that's Nancy. Go ahead, fan them out. Like pick a card, any card, like you're doing a magic trick.
Wait, like this or like this?
Thank you for asking. You guys are going to fan out those cards face down. Again, kind of like pick a card, any card. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Except we're going to start with the hearts. 2 hands, maybe. Oh, you guys are already 1 step ahead of me. Okay, the next person, so spades, is going to pick and read. So OCDs would pick and... Ooh, okay, so it says pretend I have a variable named X and Y, and there's like a fill in the blank. Most of these you'll want to lay down and actually take a look at yourself, okay? So me as the diamond, I am solving the question. So OCDs just read it. I'm now looking, I'm like, okay, I don't know. I don't know what to be doing here. So my club, the 4th and final teammate, is going to help coach and either paraphrase or just kind of provide me some hints to keep me moving in the right direction. Now there's some stems over here that are going to help you with that. If you have the coaching role, that's super important, right? You want to be helping out the person whose job it is to answer. Okay, so you have some stems over here, and then Laura would be helping me out. If you've got it and you're like, great, we know we have the right answer, you guys can make 1 pile of those. And if you feel stuck, you're like, I don't know, I think I'd like to ask Miss Morano for help, then you guys can make a separate pile as I'm walking around and just kind of stop me if you run into issues. Okay? And then what happens? Am I just stuck answering every single question? No. The last thing we're going to do, Nancy, we're going to pass the deck. And then we're going to repeat those steps. So just one more time. Fan, pick, answer, coach. Fan, pick, answer, coach. And then pass the deck. As the decks rotate, so do the rolls. Okay? So I'm going to pass out your guys' decks and pass out a whiteboard for each table. When you get your deck, you can shuffle it. Hearts, you are going to start with the deck.
Alright. Speed is stored in the variable named speed. Whether or not you're on the highway.
A movie theater gives a discount to everyone on Mondays. Students get a discount every day. The day of the week is stored in a variable day. Whether or not a person is a student is stored in a Boolean variable called is student.
So there's a variable.
And the price in dollars is stored in the variable price. Write the if-else statement to model the scenario.
How many variables are there? The day of the week is stored in the variable day. Whether or not a person is a student.
So weekday, maybe?
So there's 2, right? How many are there? Do you know?
Weekday.
Let's give it. Yeah.
I'm the coach.
Alright, who's next?
Okay, if I already did this.
You saw it, right?
Yeah, and then